I was asked for a recipe for bean burgers. Shout out to Stephanie. And I realised in all this time, I'm making all these videos, I've never made a video for bean burgers. So I've got to remedy that. I got what I think is butter beans from a mystery box. Difficult to tell. And some kidney beans, so I'm probably going to mix those up. Perfect, it is butter beans. You can save the aquafaba, also known as bean water, to make all sorts of vegan things. I made some meringues, I think, which are on my channel somewhere. Drain them. Put the two beans in one pot. I'm going to mash them up. I've got a potato masher, but you could also use a fork or a blender, whatever you want. Smash, 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 smash until it's completely smashed, which might take some time. Gonna chop up and fry some pepper and onion to add to it some flavour. Imagine me chopping. I've only got one hand free because I've got the camera in my other hand, but I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Chop, chop, just like that. Way, yee, loads of lovely chopped up stuff. Turns out a fork is easiest. Keep going till it's all mushed up. You can have bits in it, or you can have it really smoothly blended like you do with peanut butter. Crunchy or smooth. You can have whatever seasoning you like. You can just have salt and pepper if that's all you want, but I've got some Tuscan seasoning that I got in a mystery box. I've got some paprika, I might add that, some chili that I got in a mystery box. I've got some chili salt. Maybe I can add some, I wouldn't add salt and soy sauce, but you could add salt or soy sauce. I'm probably going to add some nutritional yeast, because I always add nutritional yeast to everything. Mix it all in, and then I'm going to add the vegetables after I've fried them a bit. Soften them, caramelise them a bit, maybe. Cook to taste, as they say. I put a bit of chickpea flour to make it more bound as well, but it depends on the texture you end up with, really. There, I'm going to add this to the beanie mixture. Mix that up until it's well combined. I've got a mixture of nutritional yeast, gram flour, that's chickpea flour, and salt there. I'm going to put them in that, and then I'm going to put them in this gluten-free breadcrumbs, or you can use panko or any sort of breadcrumbs really. These are gluten-free because I'm gluten-free. Get about that much, shape it into a patty, and then put it in some of that mixture, and then put it in the breadcrumbs. Make sure your hands are lovely and clean, which mine are, but well, they were before I started doing this. This is enough mixture to make loads, so I've got some for another day. You can make a giant loaf out of it if you want. That would be nice, a big bean loaf. Fry them up in a pan till they're golden brown, maybe 5 minutes each side. I mean, experiment. I've got them on quite a high heat. I'm going to turn them down a bit. Experiment. I don't know how they're going to take, how long they take. These things do. Look at that, delicious. That one fell apart, but I stuck it back together again, and it stuck. This one's perfect. One's all flat and one's better, but they both taste the same, so it doesn't really matter, does it? I just thought you could probably add some liquid smoke too if you wanted to, but I didn't. But I could. I've still got loads of mixture left, so I could if I wanted to. There you go. You can put more salad or whatever, or a bun. I'm going to try this one, which was slightly not perfect. Well, I think that worked.